Welcome to AppStyle. In this video, I will show you how to fix running scripts is disabled on your system error in VS Code. To do that, open PowerShell with administrator privileges and start type PowerShell. Right-click at Windows PowerShell option and select Run as Administrator. And here, type this command: Set-ExecutionPolicy space dash scope CurrentUser space RemoteSigned. Hit Y key from keyboard and hit enter. Close PowerShell and try the command again in VS Code. Now the command is running and operation is successful. And this is how you fix the error where PowerShell's execution policy blocks script. So this is how you fix this issue. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.